Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lake Magdalene Island, local and long-distance movers near me. Usually, a relocation distance of at least 50 miles is a long-distance relocation. Our long-distance relocation services are a seamless system. It's also very affordable so that you can rest assured. We have excellent working relationships with authorities at the local, state, and federal levels in charge of relocation, and this gives our customers and their properties the safety and protection that they should get. Also, we have some insurance policies in place that protect our clients from risk during and after the move. Our rates are very reasonable. We provide our customers with quality local moving services at a rate of $30 to $40 per hour. Our affordability, reliability, and quality of service set us apart from other moving companies in the area. Not only do we ensure that the move is smooth, but we also help our clients to map out a moving strategy for the move. Our clients enjoy a top-quality moving service where they are prioritized and at ease. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lake Magdalene Island moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.